Ever found yourself staring at your screen, a brilliant business idea bubbling, only to hit a snag when it comes to the nitty-gritty of branding and legalities? You've heard amazing things about Tailor Brands, their AI-powered logo maker, their seamless business formation services, their all-in-one platform for entrepreneurs. You're excited, you're ready to dive in, but then it hits you. What if you have a question? A burning query about your logo, a hiccup with your LLC formation, or just a general need for support? How exactly do you get in touch with Tailor Brands? It's a common dilemma, isn't it? In this fast-paced digital world, knowing how to connect with the companies that power our dreams can be just as crucial as the services they offer. And when it comes to a platform as comprehensive as Tailor Brands, excellent customer support is a game changer. So, buckle up, because today, we're going to demystify the process of contacting Tailor Brands, exploring every avenue available to you, and ensuring you always feel supported on your entrepreneurial journey. Let's face it, nobody wants to feel like they're yelling into the void when they need help. You want solutions, and you want them efficiently. Tailor Brands understands this, and they've designed multiple channels to ensure you can reach them, no matter your preferred method of communication or the urgency of your query. First and foremost, let's talk about the unsung hero of online support, the Help Center. Think of it as your personal encyclopedia for all things Tailor Brands. Before you even think about picking up the phone or sending an email, a quick visit to their Help Center can often resolve your issue faster than you can say, brand identity. It's meticulously organized with frequently asked questions, comprehensive guides, and troubleshooting tips covering everything from logo design adjustments to understanding your business formation documents. Are you wondering about subscription renewals? It's there. Need to know how to download your brand assets? Also there. The search bar is your best friend here. Type in your query, and more often than not, you'll find an immediate answer, saving you valuable time. But what if your question is a bit more nuanced, something not covered in the FAQs? That's where their direct support channels come into play. And for many, the go-to option is their email support. Tailor Brands offers dedicated email support for various types of inquiries. You'll typically find their support email address, often something like support@tailorbrands.com, prominently displayed in their Help Center or on their Contact Us page. When sending an email, be as detailed as possible. Include your account information, the specific issue you're facing, any error messages you've received, and what steps you've already taken. The more information you provide up front, the quicker their support team can understand and address your concerns. While email isn't instantaneous, it's excellent for non-urgent matters and provides a written record of your communication. Now, for those times when you need a more immediate response, Tailor Brands often provides live chat support. This is a fantastic option for quick questions or when you're actively working on something within their platform and need real-time assistance. Look for a chat icon, usually located in the bottom corner of their website or within your user dashboard. Clicking on it will typically connect you with a support agent in minutes. Live chat is perfect for clarifying information, getting step-by-step guidance, or troubleshooting minor technical glitches. The convenience of typing out your question and getting an almost instant reply from a human being is incredibly reassuring. For certain critical issues, especially those related to business formation or legal matters, Tailor Brands may offer phone support. While not always the primary contact method, a dedicated phone line can be invaluable when you need to speak directly to someone to discuss complex issues. Check their Contact Us page or Help Center for specific phone numbers and operating hours, as these can vary. Be prepared to provide your account details and a clear description of your issue to the phone representative. Remember, patience is key, as phone lines can sometimes have wait times, but the direct conversation often leads to a quicker resolution for intricate problems. Beyond these core methods, Tailor Brands also leverages social media to engage with their community and provide some level of support. While social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram are not typically designed for direct, in-depth customer service, they can be useful for general inquiries, announcements, or flagging widespread issues. If you have a quick, general question, tagging them in a public post or sending a direct message might get you a response. However, for anything account-specific or sensitive, always opt for their dedicated email, live chat, or phone support. Furthermore, Tailor Brands has a vibrant online community, often fostered through their blog, forums, or even dedicated Facebook groups. While not a direct support channel in the traditional sense, these communities can be incredibly valuable for peer-to-peer assistance. Other users who have encountered similar issues might be able to offer insights, tips, or workarounds. It's a great place to learn from others' experiences and even discover solutions you hadn't considered. It's also worth noting the importance of your Tailor Brands account dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll find a wealth of information and tools at your fingertips. Your dashboard is often the hub for managing your subscriptions, accessing your brand assets, tracking the progress of your business formation, and sometimes even directly submitting support tickets. Familiarizing yourself with your dashboard can empower you to resolve many issues independently. A pro tip for any interaction with Tailor Brands support: be prepared. Before you contact them, gather all relevant information. This includes your account email, any order numbers, screenshots of error messages, and a clear, concise description of your problem. The more information you provide, the more efficiently they can assist you. And remember to be polite and patient. Support agents are there to help, and a courteous approach always facilitates a smoother resolution. In essence, Tailor Brands has created a multifaceted support system designed to cater to diverse needs and preferences. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast who prefers to scour the help center, someone who values the immediacy of live chat, or an individual who needs the directness of a phone call, they've got you covered. Their commitment to supporting entrepreneurs extends beyond just providing tools. It encompasses ensuring you feel confident and assisted every step of the way. So, the next time you have a question, you'll know exactly how to reach out and get the answers you need to keep your business dreams on track. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.